oh. Okay guys, nanang hire guys oh. Dire sa Purok to Santo Lacson. Muna lang hire guys oh. Muna yung project nila dire guys oh. Guys, muna lang hire guys. Project nila dire guys kay kuan guys. Driving school of driving Department of Transportation. Okay guys, so ganahan mo apply guys, abante na mo guys. Muna lang kuan guys oh. Ang project dito guys. Nang hire sila kuan guys. Nang hire sila kuan. Foreman, scaffolder, stillman, electrician, plumber, welder, mason, panday, labor. Okay guys oh. Dito lang kuan. Ako kailang project dito guys oh.
Gapo re-applyan guys, kaning kuan guys oh.
Guys, project na guys. Para diri sa kon guys, location guys diri sa Purok to Lacson, sa may Santol guys. Sa Purok to Santo Lacson, Kalinan, Davao City. Guys, bante mo guys, ganahan guys. Dako project ka guys.